Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all 5 affordable face moisturizers or face cream that you can make use of. It is no news that things in this country is already becoming more expensive. Skincare products are on the high. So I decided to share with you 5 affordable and good face moisturizers, and 3 of these moisturizers I am making use of it. Yes, currently I am making use of it. So without wasting so much of your time, let's dive right into the video. So the first moisturizer on my list is the Beauty Formulas Vitamin C Brightening Moisturizer. This product here, now when it comes to nice, affordable, cheap face moisturizers, you see Beauty Formulas, like apart from this face cream, Beauty Formulas brand as a whole, they actually offer products that are so affordable. Their products are not so expensive. Take for example their toner, their face wash, their moisturizer, and so on. Now, ever since when I'm making use of this moisturizer, I've noticed that actually this moisturizer will help you to brighten your skin. It also has other benefits it gives to the skin and some other things that you need to know, just random things you need to know about this Beauty Formulas moisturizer. So let's start with the key ingredients in this moisturizer. So this product contains vitamin C in it, which is a brightening ingredient. Obviously, it is written on the body. This moisturizer also contains niacinamide in it. So it contains like 2 brightening ingredients, and that is vitamin C and niacinamide. This moisturizer also contains vitamin E. This moisturizer also contains panthenol, also known as provitamin B5. Now, the presence of provitamin B5 in this Beauty Formulas moisturizer will help you to suit your skin. It means like this provitamin B5 is a good ingredient for people that have sensitive skin because it helps to suit sensitive skin. Now, this moisturizer also contains glycerin, which will help you to hydrate your skin. The first thing I notice about this moisturizer is that this moisturizer is very moisturizing on the skin. Yes, like seriously, even the consistency of this moisturizer, it is actually thick. Let me just bring out a bit. This is how it comes in. It comes in a tube form. So this is like the consistency of this moisturizer. It will not only moisturize your skin, but it will also hydrate your skin. And that is to say that I think this moisturizer will be best suited for people that has normal to dry skin. Okay, if you have a very dry skin, so if you can make use of this product. And for my experience making use of this product, I'm sorry to say, but if you have like oily skin, I would not like recommend you to make use of this product because this product is actually thick and it might not be suitable for you if you have oily skin. Now, like I mentioned earlier, that this product is actually brightening, and sincerely it is actually brightening because I noticed that brightening benefits when I started making use of this face moisturizer. So if you need like a brightening face cream that is also affordable, you can actually try out this product. Now, another thing that personally I love about this product is the citrus scent in it. This product has a fragrance in it and it smells like citrus, and personally me, I love it when my product contains nice fragrance in it. I really love it. So that's just something you need to take into consideration. If you know you're somebody that don't like fragrance in your skincare product, then you might not like this one because it actually has a citrus fragrance. Now, another reason why I love this moisturizer is because it is actually gentle on the skin. Personally, it is gentle on my skin. Now, I have watched like a couple of reviews of people saying that this product actually irritates their skin, but when I went through the ingredients list of this product, I don't see any reason why this product will irritate the skin. Sincerely speaking, as a matter of fact, you know I mentioned that this product contains provitamin B5, and it is actually a soothing ingredient. Like that ingredient is so beneficial to the skin to help you to soothe your skin. That ingredient is also good for a damaged skin barrier. Like that ingredient is so nice. So due to the presence of that provitamin B5, no, this product is not irritating on the skin. So if you have a sensitive skin, you can actually try out this product. Now, this video will be one-sided if I don't say the cons of this product. That is what I don't like about this product. And I think the only thing I don't like about this product is that if you apply this product on your skin, it has this tendency to cause sweating on the skin. Like people have talked about it. People have said that this product makes them sweat. Some people say it does not make them sweat. I'm just talking of from my own experience, okay? from our experience, I noticed this has a tendency to cause sweating, but that doesn't mean, I'm not trying to say that it makes me sweat excessively, no, or too much. No, no, it doesn't, but it has a tendency to make you sweat. And one thing I have noticed when it comes to sweating on the skin is that whenever I apply this product, let's say in little quantity, I don't take too much, apply too much on my face, the sweating is not too much like that. But if I apply it in generous amount, the sweating comes out. So that's just like the only con about this product that I don't like. So in overall, this product is actually nice. It's actually brightening, can be used by all skin complexion, but you will not like it if you have oily skin. Okay, I've already mentioned that before, but it will be so good if you have dry skin, or let's say normal to dry skin. Now coming to the price of this product, so this product is sold between the price range of 3,000 naira to 4,000 naira. Personally, I got this one for 3,000 naira. That was the price I got this one for. Now the next face moisturizer on my list is the Efero Snail face repair cream. This product here, I am very, very sure you have not heard of this product before. And guys, do you know one thing that surprised me about this product? Okay, I was going through the internet, like on Google, I searched affordable face moisturizers you can make use of in 2024. And then I saw this product, this Efero face moisturizer that I'm giving to you. And I was like, which product is this? Like, what kind of product is this? I tried to search on TikTok to see people that have made use of it, to see if I can get reviews, but I noticed that the reviews on of this product on TikTok was very, very low. Then I said, okay, let me check on Jumia to see if this product is even available on Jumia. Then I went to Jumia. As a matter of fact, I think I did a screen recording of this product and the reviews online where I showed it, and I've not made use of this product. You know, I said there's only three I've made use of. The other two I've not made use of it. So this one I've not made use of it. Okay. But when I saw the reviews on Jumia, the reviews really got my attention. And I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to bring this into my list since people actually like it. And I also took my time to go through the ingredients list of this product. And I noticed that this product does not contain ingredients that will damage your skin barrier, or that will bleach your skin, maybe turn you fairer or darker. It's just like a good hydrating moisturizer. Like, I see this product as a nice product when it comes to hydrating the skin, you know, even repairing damaged skin barrier. Yes, that is what I see this product as. So that was one of the reasons why I brought in this product in my list. And this product is also very, very affordable. Now let's come to the key ingredients in this product. So for the very first of the key ingredients that got my attention also is snail extract. We all know COSRX face moisturizer, right? That it contains snail extract. Now I'm not trying to compare this product with COSRX. No, I'm not trying to compare it. Okay, I just brought in COSRX to explain to you that this product also contains snail extract, just like the COSRX moisturizer. Now, this snail extract in this face cream, it is rich in collagen and elastin, and it will help you to hydrate and moisturize your skin. Now, I said collagen. You know, when we hear the word collagen, it means collagen is a very good ingredient when it comes to repairing a damaged skin barrier. So which means this product will really assist you if you have a damaged skin barrier. Now, apart from this snail extract, this product also contains aqua and glycerin. Aqua is water, okay? Glycerin is a humectant which will help you to hydrate your skin. So it contains like water in it. It also contains glycerin to help hydrate your skin. So if you have like normal dry, let's say your skin, you even have a dehydrated skin, yes, that's the word. If you have a dehydrated skin, this product will be so nice. Like, it will actually assist you when it comes to hydrating your skin. So that's just like the ingredients. This, like I said, this product is not going to give you that, you know, making you look fair, making you look so glowy, like making, I think the benefits this product just offers to the skin, when I made my research about this product, is that it is going to help you to hydrate, repair damaged skin barrier, protect your skin barrier. It is good. You know that benefits COSRX face moisturizer will give to you. And let's say this one also offers that kind of benefits to the skin. Now, coming to the con of this product, I won't say the con is that it's from the product itself, but rather I'll say it's from the packaging. And that is, this product is very, very small in size. That's just the review people were saying about this product. People were like, oh, the product is nice, but Unfortunately, the packaging of this product is actually small. It is small in size. So for the size of this product, it comes in a 30-gram size. So that's just like the only con about this product. Now, if you want to purchase this product, I'm going to leave the link of this product in the description box. You can purchase it. Okay, the link to Jumia. Now, coming to the price. So the price of this product ranges between 3,500 naira to 4,000 naira. So just follow the link in my description box to shop this Efero face moisturizer. Now, the next face cream or face moisturizer on my list is my baby, and that is the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream. I love this moisturizer so much because it is so, like, it is very moisturizing on the skin. It is very gentle on the skin. I love it. Oh my god, the way I love this face moisturizer, I don't know. Like, I think I've made use of Nivea Perfect and Radiant face moisturizer, and I've made use of this one, and I decided, like, I just fell in love with this one. Now, the key ingredients in this moisturizer, it contains aqua, it contains jojoba oil, it contains glycerin. This product also contains vitamin E in it. These are just some key ingredients that are found in this product. Now, the presence of this ingredient I mentioned to you will help you to hydrate your skin and also moisturize your skin. Okay, so that's the reason why I said this product is actually moisturizing on the skin. And yes, this product is very, very moisturizing on the skin. Now, another thing I love about this product is that this product doubles. As a matter of fact, it triples, but the reason why I just said doubles is because it can be used on the face and the body. But on the body, it says it can also be used as a hand cream. And yes, I've noticed that if I'm having dry hands, once I apply this on my hands, it actually helps moisturize my skin. So yes, you can make use of this product on your face. You can also make use of this product on your body. Note, it's just this product I said you can make use of on your body. Don't go and carry the beauty formulas and be applying it on your body, or carry the Efero Snail this thing and be applying it on your body. Those ones are just face moisturizer. But this one, if you want to still make use of this one on your body, fine, you can go ahead to make use of it on your body. This product is very nice for sensitive skin. It's very nice for damaged skin barrier. So if you have a damaged skin barrier and maybe you don't want to make use of all these harsh products that will be increasing your skin sensitivity, my dear, you need to make use of this Nivea Soft moisturizer. It is very, very nice for people that have sensitive skin. This product will never, like, it has never irritated my skin before. It is so gentle on the skin. So if you have a sensitive skin, this, oh my god, it is so good for sensitive skin. So in overall, what I would just say is that this product is mainly focused on repairing damaged skin barrier, okay, moisturizing the skin, hydrating the skin. Personally, I don't think this product will help you get rid of hyperpigmentation. No, I don't think that, but I know that this product will help you maintain your natural skin complexion. Okay, that's also something I noticed about this Nivea Soft. It doesn't have ingredients in it. It doesn't have the power to do that. So I'm just going to speak the plain truth. Despite the fact I love it, I won't say it will help you get rid of dark spots, because no, it does not. It doesn't help you to get rid of dark spots. Now, the next moisturizer on my list is the Goji Berry Facial Cream. This product here, yes, I know that this product is very popular. Some people have a love-hate relationship with this product, and the reason why is because they claim that, oh, this product makes them darker. But do you know that this, if you ask these people that claims that this product makes them darker, the way they make use of this product, you will notice that some of them actually make use of this product in the wrong way. But before I talk about the wrong or right way you should make use of this product, let's just quickly go through the key ingredients and the benefits this product will offer to you, and the benefits it actually offers to my skin. So the two main key ingredients in this product is, even on the body, it is high hyaluronic acid. Okay, sorry, the three main key ingredients is high hyaluronic acid, retinol, and organic botanicals. Now, high hyaluronic acid obviously will help you to hydrate your skin. Now, retinol will help you to moisturize your skin. We all know the benefit of retinol. I don't need to talk about the benefit of retinol. And it also contains organic botanicals. This product is paraben free. It is fragrance free. So this is just like one of the key ingredients in this Goji Berry face moisturizer. Now let's come to the benefits this moisturizer will offer to your skin. First off, when you apply this product on your face, what you will notice is that moisturizing benefits. Yes, this product will really help you to moisturize your skin. If you have like a dry skin oh my god, it will be so nice. It will help you to moisturize your dry skin. Now this product really help you to get rid of dark spots, hyperpigmentation. Personally, no, I don't think it is going to help you to do that. See, if you want products that will target all those dark spots, getting rid of all those dark spots, I will if I recommend a product for you, it is likely to be expensive, most especially a face moisturizer. I'm not talking of body moisturizer, most especially a face moisturizer. But if you want something that will really brighten your skin, this one is very good when it comes to brightening the skin. Now, I mentioned earlier that some people have a love-hate relationship with this product. Now, I just want to say that first off, if you want to make use of this face moisturizer, why are you making use of this moisturizer in the daytime? If you're using this product and you're making use of this product in the daytime, raise your hand. Why are you making use of this Goji Berry face moisturizer in the daytime? You see on the body of this face moisturizer, it is boldly written retinol as its key ingredient. It is written hyaluronic acid, retinol on it, and you still carry it and go and apply it in the daytime. Please don't apply this moisturizer in the daytime. This is a night moisturizer. Okay, let me just tell you all a quick short story. When I started making use of this moisturizer, I think that was last year or last 2 years. I didn't know about all these things, so I do apply mine in the daytime, and I noticed that my skin began to look red, not too red. Okay, I noticed that my skin was beginning to look a little bit reddish, and then all of a sudden from that redness it started looking darker. That is what I noticed from this face moisturizer, until I now understood that wait, oh, this product contains retinol, and this product, I don't think this product is supposed to be used in the daytime, until I switched to using this product at night. Then I noticed that my skin started relaxing, all those darkening just started fading away. So that is it. Please make use of this moisturizer only at night. Now, another thing again I want to point out is that why will you be using this moisturizer and you're using vitamin C serum? Wait, if you're using retinol, do you use vitamin C with it? No. So why are you using vitamin C serum with this moisturizer? That is number two thing that you need to know. Please stop using vitamin C with this product. Personally, I don't do that. Okay, I don't use all this vitamin C, any ingredient that does not go well with retinol. Okay, I don't use it. I don't pair it up with this Goji Berry face cream. So those are just some of the things that you need to know about this product, and I hope when you bring that into consideration, the darkening that you're complaining, that some of you might be complaining about this product, you will not experience it again. So the price of this Goji Berry facial moisturizer or facial cream is, it ranges between 3,500 naira to 4,500 naira. So yes, it is actually an affordable face moisturizer you can make use of, but only at night. Okay, and yes, it can be used by both fair skin, dark skin. Don't come and be telling me can fair skin use it, can dark skin use it. It can be used by all skin complexion. As a matter of fact, all the moisturizer I've shared to you can be used by all skin complexion. Now let's move on to the next moisturizer on my list, and that is the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Day Cream. You all have been seeing reviews about this product. I'm not even going to come here to talk too much. You have been seeing a lot of reviews both on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, people saying that this product is actually nice. It's a very nice brightening product, and yes, it is actually a nice brightening product. It is a popular product, like I've mentioned before. Now, the key ingredients in this product is vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Vitamin C will help you to brighten your skin. Hyaluronic acid will help you to hydrate your skin. Now, the benefits this product will offer to your skin, I've already mentioned it. It is a good brightening product. So if you need a nice brightening face moisturizer, this one, you can make use of it, or you can make use of this Beauty Formulas face moisturizer. Now, this product is a lightweight cream. This product is also gentle on the skin, and it is actually good for all skin types. Now, let's come to the price of this product. It ranges between 3,500 naira to 4,500 naira. So this is another good face moisturizer you can make use of. Now, if you want an affordable skincare routine, this skincare routine I am talking of is the skincare routine that I follow, my affordable product. So I'm going to leave the link of that video over here, so you can follow this link to check out that video. So loves, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.